Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve social media engagement with Sprout Social. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Sprout Social account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can see all your connected social media profiles. Select the profile you want to analyze for engagement metrics. Click on the Reports tab located in the left sidebar. Choose Engagement from the list of reporting options. Review the summary of engagement metrics such as likes, shares, and comments. Identify which posts have the highest engagement rates. Analyze the type of content that performed well. Look for patterns that indicate what your audience prefers. Experiment by creating similar content to boost engagement. Utilize the Smart Inbox feature to keep track of interactions. Respond promptly to comments and messages to foster engagement. Use the publishing tool to schedule posts at optimal times. Refer to analytics to determine when your audience is most active. Incorporate visually appealing images and videos to enhance your posts. Use relevant hashtags to increase visibility and reach. Engage with your audience by asking questions or starting conversations. Monitor your competitors' engagement strategies for inspiration. Regularly review your engagement reports to adapt your strategy. Stay updated with platform changes to keep your strategies effective. Make adjustments based on the performance data you collect over time. Celebrate your improvements and continuously strive for higher engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.